Dear student, I am Shailesh Devdat Janbandhu, Assistant Professor, Department of BCom Computer Application, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. In last session, we discussed about the syllabus and question paper pattern. Now, we start our syllabus, that is Unit 1, Introduction to Computerized Accounting, Tally, ERP 9. So before Tally, we should know about the accounting. Accounting is nothing but collecting of data or financial data of a company and transfer it, maintain it, record it, and analyze it by the use of particular rules. This is called accounting. But in computerized accounting, when we use a software or computer software for making the accounting, that is called as a computerized accounting. For that, we use different type of softwares. We study the software is called Tally ERP 9, which provide different type of facilities to make a computer. Tally ERP stand for Enterprise Resource Planning. Here enterprise is nothing but a small or large company or firms. Resource, we have different type of resources like money, human, and other thing, machineries or other thing which are available in our company. In this way, we should plan all these resources before executing. So we can do this thing by using the Tally ERP 9. We think that the computer or computerized accounting just make a accounting. It is not. It functioning various actions or functions, just like manufacturing, R&D, procurement, distribution, sales, accounting, human resource. All these resources can be, or all these things can be done in Tally ERP 9. It is the most powerful concurrent multilingual business accounting and inventory management system. Here multilingual means it support different type of languages, not only English but also Hindi, Marathi, or other states languages also can be included in ERP 9. It built on the proprietary technology that is called Simulate, concurrent multilingual acceleration technological engine. We have different type of versions in Tally from earlier days to nowadays. Version is nothing but a software improvement. It means it improves the features or things in our Tally ERP 9 software. The version number says that whether it is updated or outdated. The new release software will be available with some major improvement. The first Tally version is Tally 3.0, 4 and 4.5. It is beginning or released in 1986. It is support on the MS-DOS prompt financial accounting system. Means this type of version is only work on MS-DOS. Just like we know that DOS version or DOS operating system is a character user interface where all things or all functioning can be done with the command line. Next version is Tally 5.0. This version is upgraded version of 4.5 and it has a Windows operating system. Means here we get a graphical user interface to interact with the Tally. Now number third is Tally 5.0. This version is improved module of version 5. It has the capability to convert data from current format, old format to current format. Just like we know that when a version is included, the old data cannot be accessible in new. But when we use this type of version, the Tally has the capability to convert earlier data format to newer one. Number 4, Tally 6.3. This version is expanded enterprise system where we use open database connectivity. Here open database connectivity means we have the connectivity or with net. Means we can send our records through emails, upload our data on cyber space. Next version is Tally 7.2. It is the most likable or most used Tally version because it include all the taxes just like VAT, TDS, TCS and service taxes can be included in this version. VAT means the value added tax, TDS stand for tax deduction at source, TCS means tax collection of at source. These all taxes can be calculated using Tally 7.2. Therefore, it is most usable or used version of Tally. Next version is Tally 8.1. This version is multi-language support software. It supports 10 languages introduced in this version. Just like we earlier said that the Tally has the multilingual computer software. The 8 has the capability to include 10 languages. After that, Tally 9.0. This version is an improved model of version 8.1. It supports 13 languages. It includes foreign languages also. Some modules are introduced, that is payroll module, point of sale module are also introduced in this version. Number 8, Tally ERP 9. Just like we in our syllabus, the Tally ERP 9 included. This is the latest version which provide different features like remote access, much powerful data security, Tally.net and many more. Remote access, there we can use this by another computer, or we can say that our data, if we place our package or particular software on a system or mainframe system or server system, it can be accessible anywhere in our area. Okay, therefore it has the remote access, and it also included the data security also. Now we work on GST. The GST doesn't included in Tally ERP 9, but when GST is introduced, that time Tally.ERP 9 provides some latest version that is called releases. Releases are started from 1 to now we use the release 6.3. Tally provide 2 specification licensing, that is called Tally Silver for single user and Tally Gold for multi-user. Tally Silver for single user is an single computer. It work on only single computer and it is activated only online. It cannot be activated offline. Okay, Tally Gold is a multi-user system, means this license can be used more than one computer system. We can install it in local area network or our mainframe system and can be accessible to other computers also. It can be activated online as well as offline. Thank you.